Molweni, ndiyabulela kakhulu ngoba niklikhe kule video. Ndiyanamkela nonke kwi-channel. Namhlanje sizabe sitransforma i-TV stand. Esi stand ke sirayithi ngale ndlela siyiyo, but mna ndiye ndafuna ukusiglamorize, ukusimodernize, just to change i-look yaso on a budget. Aninobhiliva ke bantase ukubana I only used i-100 rand. Ndicela ke nibukele ide iphele ivideo, ndiza kunibonisa ukuba ndenze kanjani. Igama le channel yam ibizwa ngoba yi-Lob Lifestyle. U-Lob stands for Luxury on Budget. Cela niyisupporte ke le channel, nisubscribe, nilike, nishare. Ndinganilibazisanga, ndingathathanga xesha, cela singeneni kwivideo. So, ngokube kuqala i-lockdown, because we were working from home, I was homesick, man. I wanted to go home. Ndathatha izinto zam, my furniture, I gave to family members that are here in Joburg. Ndathatha ndikwazi uzithatha, I went home. So recently, I had to move back to the city, and my friend was kind enough to give me some of the furniture yake that she was not gonna use because she was moving to a different apartment. So as a stand is also from my friend, because ndingumntu extra ke guys. I love glam, I love modern. I felt ukuthi assistant sifuna umodernizwa, just to uba sifithe my style. Now this is supposed to be the front of the stand, and this is the other side, the back of the stand, right? So my plan is to take what is lay by back, by front to the new design, and then lay front by back, right? So nizawubona kuba ndenza kanjani. So before ndiqale ke, and ndizokhupha imilenze le, because ndifuna ukuyi-spray painter, and then ndibe sendiqhubeka ke ne-design. So spray painter ndisebenzisa i-Rust-Oleum spray paint. Guys, this is a good paint. It's quality. If there's anything I can recommend, you. And then the other stuff is just affordable stuff that I already had in the house. So le contact paper and the tenge Osbro for 21 rand. It was so affordable. So the quality is not so good. Into ehlekisayo ke ngale contact paper is that like when I bought it, I didn't like khange ize engqondweni yamba this looks like inje ngathi Subway, yabo. So xa ndiyiqhala, I'm like, no man, I can't have a TV stand that looks like a Subway. So I had two colors. I had a black and a black one, and then the white one that you've just seen. So I was just experimenting, going back and forth, deciding which one should I use. And finally, my partner convinced me to use black. I was not sure, but I was just going with it. I just wanted to see how it would look, in the end. So just sit back and watch and see how this part of design or this type, me using this contact paper is actually going to work or not. Please also comment below if you like, or if you are going to like the design where I used this type of contact paper, because I am going to change. As you might have seen, ukuthi, I changed the stand to be a solid color. So bukelani ke, and leave a comment below. Let me know how you feel about this pattern, this contact paper. I will respond to all your comments. Thank you. Now, njengoba benchilo ekuqaleni bana I only used 100 Rand for this DIY. Ezinye izinto behleli ndinazo, like the spray paint I already had, and then contact, I purchased the contact paper for 21 Rand Ospro, and then I purchased the frames, picture frames, which is about 11 Rand or 12 Rand. So I bought 2, and then I also had glue gun. I also had a double-sided tape, like ezinye izinto ezininzi bendinazo. And then this is leftover Christmas ornaments. So andithenganga nto zininzi, yabona. So ndifuna ukufaka ke ngoku the Christmas ornaments on the actual frames. So I'm just going to use the acrylic sheet that is already that comes with the frame, right? So I'm just gonna measure just to find the center. Because I didn't have a marker, I just used the skewers, and then zoqopoza ke ngoku ngeskere kuze kuvuleke into yobana ndifake. Now if uzoba like, let's say bilicango uzofaka kuyo this frame, it is advisable that you replace the acrylic sheet with glass and use like doorknobs ongazithenga at any hardware. But because this is not an actual door, this is just for decorative purposes, this works for me actually. So bukelani get just to see how this design is gonna turn out. So le ndiyisebenzisayo yi-ribbon because I didn't have a gold tape, and ndiyithenge nge-15 rand, ribbon and bow. Just to, you know, because I felt the middle part needed some gold. I'm just showing you here ile milenze xa seyispray paintiwe uba injani, and then sizoyifaka. Nasi ke istandi with the contact paper le bendithi ndithenge Osbro. Ndalala ke ndavuka mane ndafila ngathi hayi ikhona into off. You know, I love black and white and I love gold. I'm happy with the colors, but this particular contact paper for me is, it looks like it's a subway tile kind of contact paper. It doesn't belong on furniture. So that was not sitting well with me. So I'm just showing you the back now and the front. And I was like, no, man, I need to change. Went back to the drawing board. I changed completely. So I covered with a black contact paper. I used the leftover ribbon, and this at least is, you know, what I wanted. I love this design. I love this one because I love the solid black color and gold. I'm happy, you know. I love it. It's more my style. This is glam. This is modern. So what do you think? Please comment below. Again, Kalanin support, like, share, comment. I'll see you on the next one.